The 5 ranked product is ACMA Stand Mixer 6.5-QT660W6 Speed Tilt Head Food Mixer. Kitchen Electric Mixer with Dough Hook, Wire Whip and Beater. 6.5 QT. Black. Review score 4.6. Review count 15,914 ratings. Price $169.99. Customers like the value for money, power, and ease of use of the food mixer. They mention it works well, is easy to set up, and is a reliable baking tool. Some also appreciate the beautiful color and ease of cleaning. Customers dislike no info. The 4 ranked product is KitchenAid Artisan Mini 3.5 Quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer, KSM 3316X, Empire Red. Review score 4.7. Review count 4,327 ratings. Price $379.95. Customers like the size, build quality, taste, and functionality of the food mixer. They mention it takes up less counter space, is well made, and handles brownies and cake mixes well. Some appreciate its weight and speed. Customers dislike, however. Some customers have mixed opinions on the value for money. The 3 ranked product is Cuisinart SM50 GR Precision Master 5.5 Quart 12 Speed Stand Mixer with Mixing Bowl, Chef's Whisk, Flat Mixing Paddle, Dough Hook, and Splash Guard with Pour Spout. Dove Gray. Review score 4.7. Review count 6,236 ratings. Price $228.99. Customers like the performance, value for money, and build quality of the food mixer. They mention it works well, is stable, and powerful. Some also appreciate the ease of cleaning and noise level. Customers dislike no info. The 2 ranked product is KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 Quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer with Pouring Shield KSM 150 PS. Matte Black. Review score 4.7. Review count 18,663 ratings. Price $359.99. Customers like the color, sturdiness, and value of the food mixer. They mention it works great, is beautiful, and makes beautiful baked goods. Some appreciate the clear instructions and easy installation. Customers also like the baking ease of use, and value for money. Customers dislike no info. The 1 ranked product is KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5 Quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer K45SS. Onyx Black. Review score 4.8. Review count 9,920 ratings. Price $299.00. Customers like the functionality, build quality, and value of the food mixer. They mention it's great at what it does, is a solid product, and worth the price. Customers also appreciate the ease of use, saying it makes short work of any mixing chore. They also appreciate that it looks great and is easy to clean. Customers dislike no info.